In this video, we will show you how to interact with the Minima Protocol running on your cloud server. In our previous build of Minima, we had the miniHub. Minima is effectively a small server and users interact with the protocol via a browser-based interface. In this version, we've had to put the miniHub system on hold until next year as we optimize and develop this system. In the meantime, we then need to interact with the protocol directly via the cloud server. Let's install a couple of utilities that will help us moving forward. We will install curl and JQ. Let's check the status of our Minima node. Curl 127.0.0.1:9002/status. The curl enables you to inject commands via a URL. Minima is running on your local host port 9002, and the command given here is status. So the command used was curl 127.0.0.1:9002/status, enter. You can see the status of the node, although it's not very pretty. Let's look at the status, but formatted correctly. We type curl 127.0.0.1:9002/status space pipe space JQ, enter, and now we can see the status formatted in a much user-friendly manner.